Hey there. Thanks for showing interest in the Beachbody September Health Bet. I am here to just give you a little bit of information, a little bit more information about what the Health Bet is, what the requirements are, so that you can see if it's something that you would like to participate in or not. I hope that you'll join us. I think it's going to be really fun, and it's going to be a great way to get into a good routine in the month of September. So just sit back and listen for a few minutes, and then we can chat about whether or not this is a good thing for you or not. So basically, Beachbody, the company that I work for, is fronting $1 million. They're making a bet that if you set a fitness and nutrition routine in place in September, that you will fall in love because you will feel great. And so they're fronting $1 million, putting it in a pool, and everyone that commits to the health bet and carries out the different requirements will get an equal share of the pool of money. Now, they are actually offering the possibility for the pot of money to get bigger. So depending on the sales for Beachbody in the month of August, the pool can actually grow to up to $3 million. So that's pretty awesome. It could be up to $3 million that you get a share of if you complete the health bet. So basically there are just a couple of requirements, and it's really honestly so simple. It would be silly not to do this. Okay, so first is you have to complete at least 3 workouts per week. We will be going for 4 weeks. So each week you have to complete at least 3 workouts. Now it's recommended that you use a Beachbody workout, but it's not required. So you can use a Beachbody workout you have already. You can choose to do your own kind of workout, or I can help set you up with a workout program that will meet your needs and help you reach your goals. So we can chat about that. But 3 workouts per week for 4 weeks. Each week you have to have your workouts for that week logged by that Sunday evening. So you log 3 workouts per week. You also log 5 Shakeology drinks per week. So 5 out of the 7 days you have to drink Shakeology. You have to snap a quick picture of the shake or of you with the shake or whatever, and then you log that with your picture. It's super simple. And then the way we will be logging these requirements is through an app on your phone. It's called the Challenge Tracker app. It is super easy to download. It's free to download. So if you have an iPhone or an Android, you can download the app, and then it's really super easy. The group, it will be a group. So I will be leading the group. It will be a group of however many people that decide they want to do this with us. And there's a place every day to just go in really quickly and log your workout and log your Shakeology for the day. And it is literally, it takes you 15 seconds, if that. So it's really super easy. Those are the 2 requirements. The last thing is that by the end of the health bet, the 4 weeks, you have to have on record with Beachbody your address so that they can then send you your money. So that's it, you guys. It really is so simple. You work out 3 times a week, you drink your shake 5 times a week, you log that. The Shakeology has to be with a picture, but you log it, and then at the end of the 4 weeks, you will have completed the challenge. Hopefully you will feel a lot better because you've had regular exercise and dense nutrition, and then you will get a cut of the money, whatever it is. You know, it could be up to $3 million. Who knows how many people are going to take this bet? You could earn $5, you could earn $20, you could earn $50, you could earn more. I really don't know. But I think it's a pretty cool opportunity because, you know, you're doing something positive for yourself. No matter if you earn $5 or $50, you're doing something positive for yourself in your fitness and nutrition. So why not take the bet? Bet on yourself, right? I know, like with myself, sometimes I will like make little deals with myself. Like if I do this, this, and this, then I'm gonna go get a pedicure. Or once I accomplish this, I'm gonna do this, or whatever. You know, maybe it's when I lose 10 pounds, I'm gonna go buy a new pair of shoes or a new pair of pants or whatever. We make those little deals with ourselves. So why not do this and actually be able to earn some money, right? It's gonna be fun, I promise. The little group will be fun, it'll be interactive, and it'll be a good thing for the month of September. So now I need to know from you, Are you interested or not? I would love to hear from you either way, just because I have a big list of people that I'm working through, so I need to know yes or no. I also need to know what questions you have, okay? And then if you are interested, we will go ahead and talk one-on-one about workouts and the Shakeology. I can share with you a little bit more about Shakeology, what it is, what its benefits are, that type of stuff, how much it costs. And then I have a website. If you decide to participate, I have a website that I can direct you to help you get an order placed. So that's really it, you guys. It's gonna be super fun, it's gonna be energetic, and we're gonna bet on ourselves for the month of September. So I am looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for taking the time to check out the video and show interest in this, and I hope that you have a good day. See ya.